Hi, my name is Sumit Boyer and I am a subject matter expert on Qlikview. I am creating this video because I want to share my Qlikview knowledge with all of you. In this tutorial, we'll talk about the basics of set analysis in Qlikview. Usually, Qlikview aggregates database on selections, but there are certain points where you want to render dataset based on certain specific requirements or filters. So at this point of time, set analysis is the best way to do that. Set analysis is a predefined set of data that our chart or table use. So using a set expression, we can tell our object like chart or the table to display values corresponding various set of data. Or I can say that, or in the easiest language, I can say that it is a quick and fast way to display information using Qlikview technology on a stage. So now let me explain you what is a set analysis and how to do set analysis in Qlikview. So for this, first of all, let me open my Qlikview. So as you can see here, I have already opened my Qlikview. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to load my QVD file. So how to load a QVD file? Let me click on edit script. I'm going to add a new tab over here. Here I'm going to load my data file. My data file is salesinfo.qvd. Open. Now as you can see here, we have the company names, year and sales, 3 columns. Company name ABC, ABC, ABCDE, ABCDEFG, like this. And we have years 2008, 2011, 2012 and 2012, 3 consecutive years, and the sales. And click on finish, save and reload the data. Now what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to create a list box over here. So how to create a list box? Right click, new sheet object, list box. From the field, select year. Okay. Right now, so these are the years. I want to arrange them. So right click, properties, presentation, into fixed number of columns, 3, because we have got 3 years. So I have arranged them properly. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a chart over here. So I right click, new sheet object, chart, and in chart I'm going to select a straight table chart. So select straight table chart. Next, company name as a dimension, and the expression will be sum of sale. This will be my expression, and here total sale. So as you can see here, this is the total sale, and as I click on any year, you can see the data is changing over here. Now what I want to do is I want to perform the set analysis on this particular data, but before performing the set analysis, I'm going to tell you about set analysis, that what is the syntax of a set analysis, and about the identifier of set analysis. So the syntax for a set analysis is, for example, we start with sum, and the set analysis always starts with within curly brackets sales, and if I want to put a where clause, that where clause must comes under this angle brackets. Now with this angle brackets, within this curly braces and angle brackets, we have to use the set analysis identifiers. So what are the identifiers? So the identifiers here, we have to use like 0 or 1 or dollar, or we have $1. So let me explain you about let me tell you about identifiers. We have 0, 1, dollar, and $1. Now what's the purpose of 0? 0 means it will, if I'll use a set if I use an identifier as a 0, it will not display any records, even though we will select any value from the list box. or any data from the list box. This means it will display set of all records in the application, and dollar means records of current selection, and $1 means represents previous selection, like this. So this is about identifiers. Now let's see how to perform a set analysis query in our Qlikview. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, make it clear so that all the data will be available. Basically, you can see A is 7,000. It is a consecutive calculation or the total sale of year 2011, 2012, and 2013. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a criteria over here is that I only want to display the data of company A and company B. So this is basically my set analysis. I want to filter the data. So for filtering the data, I am going to put brackets over here, and I'm going to use my where clause, and I write here company name equal to and company name A and company B. This is the set analysis filter. And OK and apply, and when we click on apply, you can see over here the data has been filtered over here. Now even if you select any year, or if you like 2011, 2012, 2013, it will only display the data from the company A and company B. The other company's record, it will not going to display over here. Okay, now how to use the identifiers. Let's say we want to use the identifiers over here, and what identifier I'm going to use is, let me add one more company over here. Let's say company C, and we can see the records of 3 companies over here. Now if I want to use the identifier, I again get back to the query over here, and here I use an identifier 0. Now as I told you, 0 means no records. Even if you select any, even the records are there, or you select any year from here, it will not display any record over here. You see 0 records. Even if you select year 2012, 2013, 2011, still the year is 0, or the data is 0, because we have set the identifier to 0. Now if I use a dollar here, dollar indicates the records of the current selection. So it will display the records only for the current selection, 2011, 2012, 2013. It's normal selection. You can see that. It's like a normal. But if I want to show, for example, I want to show the data or the total sale of A for all the 3 consecutive years. So what I can do is I can simply instead of dollar, I can use simply 1. So 1 means it will display the set of the records in the application. So I click on apply and OK. So you can see this is total sale. Now even if you make any selection, or if you do any selection, it doesn't matter. It will always display the same record. So this is our set analysis query. So we have filtered the data, and we have put an identifier over here. So that's all in my video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel to access more videos. I will be coming up with some more videos with new topics. I hope you like my video. Have a nice day ahead. Till then, bye bye.